Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's question is find area enclosed by parabola y is equal to x square and the line y is equal to 4 using integration. Now equation of curve is y is equal to x square. This is parabola, upward parabola with vertex 0 0 and line is y is equal to 4. Y is equal to constant means line is parallel to x-axis. Let us draw rough diagram, then we'll get idea. Equation of parabola is y is equal to x square. Now when x is 0, 0 square 0, y is equal to 0. Now when x is 1, 1 square is 1, therefore y is equal to 1. When x is minus 1, minus 1 square is plus 1, therefore y will be 1. If x is plus 2, x is plus 2, 2 square is 4, therefore y is equal to 4. Minus 4, then again it will be plus 4. Now let us plot points. When x is 0, y is 0, point will be here. When x is 1, y is 1. When x is minus 1, y is plus 1. X is minus 1, y is plus 1. X is 2, y is 4. X is 2 and y is 4. When x is minus 2, minus 2 square is 4 plus 4. When x is minus 2, y is plus 4. Now let us draw a smooth curve passing through these points. Y is equal to x square, parabola, and line is y is equal to 4, right? Now y is equal to constant means line is parallel to x-axis, y is equal to 4. We have to find area between parabola and a line. Enclosed between parabola and line means this area. Now this shaded area is above x-axis, therefore it is positive. Now limit of x varies from this point to this point, means from x is equal to plus 2 to x is equal to from x is equal to minus 2 to x is equal to plus 2. Now again area under the curve means area between curve and axis is either x dy when limits of y are available, then we can use this. When limits of x are available, we can use this. From a1 to a2, integral a1 to a2 y dx. Therefore, area under the curve is equal to integral. Now limit of x varies from -2 to +2 y dx. Y, that is equation of curve. Now equation of curve is y is equal to x square. Now integral of x square is x cube upon 3, limit from -2 to +2 is equal to. Now we have to put upper limit first, that is +2 square upon 3, cube upon 3 minus lower limit is -2 minus 2 cube upon 3. Now 2 cube is 8, 8 by 3 minus, now minus 2 cube is -8. This minus into this minus plus 8 by 3 plus 8 by 3 is equal to 16 by 3 square units. Area under the curve, or area between a parabola and a line y is equal to 4 is 16 by 3 square units. If you like this, then please like, share and subscribe and comment. Thank you.